You're watching How Leap. Let's see 6 things you must do after updating your iPhone to iOS 18.5. First, check your battery health in settings, then battery to ensure optimal performance. Second, review new privacy features. Go to settings, then privacy and security, and explore app privacy report and any new tracking controls. Third, customize your lock screen. Press and hold the lock screen to access new widgets and styles introduced in the update. Fourth, test any major new apps or features mentioned in the update notes, like enhancements to messages or photos. Fifth, ensure your essential apps are working correctly. Some may need their own updates from the App Store. Sixth, and most importantly, back up your iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup, and tap Backup now. This secures your data after the major system change. Performing these steps ensures you get the most out of the update and keep your device secure and efficient. For more essential iPhone update tutorials, subscribe to the channel.